Hello everyone, welcome. So today I've got some happy mail from Pamela's Creations. Um, she is such a sweetheart. So if you guys haven't watched her videos, you should go and check out her channel. I'll put a link down below. Isn't that the cutest bag? Reminds me of like the frosting with the little sprinkles. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I love the paper. So sparkly and so cute. Oh, I know what this is. So, if you guys had watched our collab, this is the bag that she made, and I thought she did such an amazing job. Look at that. Did she not do the most amazing job? I think she did amazing. So awesome. So, lots of goodies in here. So we got some candy canes. Oh, look how cute. That is so adorable. The little deer. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. And the snowman. Oh, they're so adorable. Look how cute. Oh, those are gonna look so cute on the tree. Let's see, we got some stickers. Oh my gosh, look how cute. The little googly eyes. That is so adorable. Penguin on the little sleigh. Oh, those are so cute. Pam, thank you so much. These are so cute. Oh, lots of treats. My kiddo's I'm gonna have to hide them from my kiddo. Look at all of those goodies. So we got peanut butter. I think this is is this white chocolate? I don't know. Yeah, white chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, Kit Kats. Ooh, mint. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, oh, dark chocolate. That's my favorite. It's the dark. I didn't know Kit Kats made the dark chocolate. Yum. Oh my goodness. But look at this bag, you guys. She did such an amazing job. So stinking cute. Isn't that just adorable? I think she did awesome. If you haven't seen that video, like I said, go check our channel out and watch it. Let's see if there's something. Oh no, it's right here. Set this to the side. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Yeah, I used to paint. I'm not really good at it. But that is so adorable. Oh, so cute. Pam, thank you so much. I absolutely love it all. Oh my goodness. But the bag, seriously, I think she did amazing on that bag. I love the material. I think this is out of the collab mystery bag that Ambi sent Pam. So cute. Oh my gosh. Well, that was, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go and check out her channel if you haven't already. She does amazing work. Has lots of different things. So yeah, go check her out. And I will be back on Friday for something crafty. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, and I will see you Friday. All right. Love y'all. Bye. And don't forget to always smile.